In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change color of Google Calendar events 2025, step by step. We'll start by creating a quick event together, and then I'll show you exactly how to change its color so it stands out on your schedule. Open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in. On the left, click Create, then choose Event. This opens the event editor where you can fill in the essentials. In the title box, type a clear name for your event, something you'll instantly recognize at a glance. Next, click the date field to open the date picker and choose the day you want. For this walkthrough, select December 23. Now set the time. Click the start time and choose 9 o'clock p.m., then click the end time and set it to 12 o'clock a.m. That gives you a 3-hour block. If midnight confuses your layout, you can also set the end time to 11:59 p.m., functionally the same for most schedules. If you're inviting others, use the guest field to enter their email addresses or names. You can adjust what guests can do, like modifying the event or inviting others, using the guest permissions right below. Add a location if you have one. Suggestions will pop up as you type, which helps everyone get the right address and directions. When everything looks good, click Save. If you added guests, you may be prompted to send invitations. Go ahead and send so they receive the details. Now, let's change the color so the event is easier to spot. Back in your calendar view, click the event you just created to open its preview, then click the pencil icon to edit. Near the event title, look for a small color circle. Click that circle to open the color palette. Pick the color that best matches how you want to categorize this event, maybe a bold color for high priority items or a softer tone for personal plans. This color applies to this event only and overrides your calendar's default color, which is useful when you want a few key items to pop without changing everything else. When you've selected your color, click Save at the top. Return to your calendar view and you'll see the event in the new color instantly. If it doesn't update right away, give the page a quick refresh. That's it. You've created an event, added the details that matter, and customized its color for quick visual recognition. This small tweak can make a big difference in how quickly you read your day at a glance.